When I began to lose weight using the OMAD regimen, I felt that my body was demanding more intense exercise. I knew then that walking for over 90 minutes was not going to do it. The Pushup Pyramid provided the high-intensity interval training my body was craving. The Pushup Pyramid changed my life. With it, I was able to build my upper body muscles and finally remove those unmanly man boobs I so hated. But building strength goes beyond physical appearance. The intensity of the push-up pyramids will encourage your growth hormone and testosterone secretion. Both these hormones are very important for vitality at my age, or any age for that matter.